friend of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on Dual Apps, hit Create, and tap on the sweater next to any app that you wish to clone. Then hit Turn On and wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, tap on the same No Blue sweater and hit OK in Uninstall Dual App pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!